Hi, I'm Dave, and thank you for your interest in this video. In this video, I have a problem with wheels worn out on my Honda mower. Should I retread or replace them? My last video on this mower was a fix for the wheels locking up when pulled backwards, and that fix is still working good today. So, after 2 years of weekly cutting approximately a quarter acre of Bermuda grass during the grass cutting season, all 4 wheels no longer have any tread. They are completely slick. This area right here, this is from rubbing against the concrete, but that's not the problem. All 4 of these wheels are slick. Even the front wheels are slick, and the rear wheels are the ones that do all the work. All this is from 2 years of grass cutting. I push the mower and you see the wheel is completely slick. I'm going to use a 12mm socket and remove the rear wheel. Now this is a good time to check the ratchet gear. Turn in one direction, you should hear it click. The other direction should not turn at all. So, should I retread or replace these wheels? I choose to replace, and at the end of this video, I'll show you the Honda wheel part number for this mower, and I have a clue as to why they are worn out. Here are the new and old wheels compared. Here is the right front wheel, and it is completely slick. Here is my new set of replacement wheels, and I will go ahead and install these. So, here are the new wheels mounted, and it's better than like before. As you push the mower forward, you should hear the ratchet gears click. And pulling backwards, the rear wheels do not lock up, and that was my fix from a previous video. Here are the wheels after only 2 years of use on about a quarter acre of Bermuda lawn during the grass season. This was just 2 years of use. So the packaging for the wheels say made from 50% recycled content. So is that the bag or the wheels that are recycled? My Honda mower is model HRR 2169 VLA. And this is the Honda part number for the wheels. I purchased these as a set at my favorite shopping place, Amazon. I paid $48 and the price is dropping on these, so if you need some, you can probably get these cheaper than I did. So, I chose to replace instead of retread. Either way, be safe and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and a thumbs up is appreciated. I'm Dave. Have a great day.